Hi, this is Tim Kelly. I want to thank you for visiting kellycars.com. For over 70 years, we've been serving the Chattanooga market, and we've earned our reputation as a name you can trust.
At Kelly Cars, we know you are not just looking out for you. You need a vehicle for your entire family. Check out this Quicksilver Metallic 2010 GMC Acadia, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 27,860 miles. Enjoy an impressive 23 miles to the gallon on this family SUV with features like OnStar communication system, keyless entry, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this 2010 GMC Acadia. See us at Kelly Cars today.
Thanks again for visiting kellycars.com. We hope you liked what you saw. If you have any questions at all, please email our friendly internet staff.